Welcome back to Need to Know, where every loaf tells a story. Today, we're diving into the beautiful living world of sourdough starters. Whether you're a first time baker or a seasoned dough whisperer, this simple guide will help you grow your own perfect starter step by step. Let's begin. This is a general method for making a sourdough starter. There are many variations. We discussed them in the last video. Today, we focus on one clear path, the standard procedure. Start by mixing your ingredients. Whole rye flour plus water, or bread flour plus water, plus a piece of fresh fruit or vegetable optional for a flavor boost. Cover the starter and let it rest at room temperature. Wait for it to show signs of life. Bubbles rise and fall in volume. This can take 2 to 3 days. Patience is key. Once active, it's time to refresh the starter. Mix bread flour, water, a portion or all of your first starter. Here's a simple guide. Stiff starter, levain. Ratio, flour 100%, water 50 to 60%, fermented starter 67%, perfect for structured breads. Thin starter, barm. Ratio, flour 100%, water 100%. Fermented starter 200%, great for rustic airy loaves. After refreshing, let your starter ferment again. It should become sticky, be full of bubbles, increase in volume by at least 50%. This stage usually takes about 2 days, depending on the room temperature. Continue refreshing and fermenting. Each cycle makes your starter stronger and faster. When it ferments in 1 day or less, it's ready to bake. Total time, around 2 weeks. Once developed, refrigerate your starter to slow down fermentation. Always refresh before refrigerating, or the yeast will run out of food. Bring to room temperature before baking. Your starter is your treasure. Use it directly in recipes or keep it as a storage starter for future braids. Tip: always use a refreshed or intermediate starter for best results. Remember, a fresh, active starter equals best flavor and rise. A cold, inactive starter equals weak fermentation. Feed your starter love and care, and it will reward you. And there you have it, a living, breathing starter ready to shape your baking dreams. Watch out for my upcoming shorts, where I'll explain the essential bakery terms every true baker should know. Remember, a baker's hands shape more than bread. They shape joy, love, and memories. Keep baking, keep creating, keep needing to know. Check my shorts soon. We'll explain important bakery terms you must know. Stay tuned.